Right? Yes. Look, they have those.
So our little baby birdie went out and is now hanging out with friends. Isn't that precious? I can't see. Okay, there we go. Aww. Aren't we cute? That's Polly at the top. Kind of blurry. Uh-oh. Where'd we go? There we go. No, Polly is kind of a lone wolf type. Yum bud. He's all, Mom, put away the camera. This is embarrassing. He wanted to go see some friends for a minute. Fun. Which is a relief for me. Uh-oh, looks like there's a girl going over there to say hi. I think I'm starting to see the difference between boys and girls. Uh-oh, he followed her too. And didn't want Mama having him on film. That's precious.